Hi, and we're back with unit conversions problems 9D. And here we have a tire, and they tell us the circumference, and we have to remember from math that circumference means the distance around the tire. And it says how many revolutions will it take to go 3.2 miles. So if we think about a tire, it's a circle, and circumference is the distance around, and one revolution means one time around the tire. And if we think about driving this tire along and it's spinning like this, so it's moving along this way, one full circle around the circumference is the same thing as one revolution. So what we get is the circumference of 100 inches equals one revolution for this tire here. So that's going to be one of our fancy ones we're going to use here. We also notice here's our number that doesn't have a per with it. So this is the number we're going to start with, 3.2 miles. Now what I notice is this is in miles and this is in inches, so we should notice by now that we're going to have to make that conversion. So I need miles on bottom, and I'm going to consult my conversion sheet. Miles, oh look, miles goes to feet, not to inches, so I'm going to have to go miles to feet. And then feet to inches. So miles is 5280 feet. That's what I'm going to use. 5280 feet is 1 mile. Now I really want inches, so now I need to go feet to inches. And I know that's 1 foot is 12 inches. Now let's check our units. Feet and feet, miles and miles. Okay, that's good. Now I have inches here, and I have my fancy one that I got from my problem. 100 inches equals 1 revolution. So that's going to be like my last fancy one. Inches was on top, so I need inches on bottom. 100 inches is 1 revolution. Inches and inches cancel, leaving me with just units of revolutions. It did ask me how many revolutions will it take, so that is awesome. That's the units that I wanted at the end. So now I just need to multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom, like we always do. Let me grab my calculator. So here we go. 3.2 times 5280 times 12 gives me this big number on top. On the bottom, okay, we just have 100 on bottom. So now I can divide that. Divided by 100, and I get 27. And it asked me just for how many revolutions there are, so I'm just going to take and round this off to a full revolution. This 5 causes that 7 to go up when I round it, so that's what I'm going to write down, 28 revolutions. That's it. Thanks.